You want to be fit and healthy, you do exercise. You want to look well, you do nice dressing. You want good skin, you follow proper skincare. But what about your hair? You think they don't matter enough? No doubt, men's hair is the very first thing when someone looks at them and notices. But if you ignore it, you're doing something very wrong. Keep in mind this. Smart grooming doesn't stop at your hairline. To maintain good looks, you must know how to care for your hair properly. So in this video, you'll learn men's hair care tips, shampooing, conditioning, and styling to have healthy hair and long-lasting hairstyles. Hair is just as important as your face or skin. You know, it's crazy, but by the time men hit 35, around 40% of them start experiencing hair problems. Some guys deal with male pattern baldness when their hair starts thinning out in specific areas. Then some get hit with premature graying, losing the color in their hair way earlier than expected. And let's not forget about the men who struggle with scalp conditions and thinning hair. It's actually pretty common for guys to have some sort of trouble with their hair. It can really mess with your overall look and confidence. But what's the common reason that can be the cause of such problems? Bad hair habits. Yes, you can't even imagine how bad it is to treat your hair poorly. Some guys don't think washing your hair is important to remove all the dirt. Some don't select the right products for their hair and think, it doesn't matter, they have really good hair, so their hair can accept all products. Some men are always in a hurry, so they just rub their hair roughly and mistreat them to be done in no time. A lot of guys assume that hair care is only important for women, and some are fashion crazy. They apply too many products or heat their hair to make that style-stunning look for an evening party. But these wrong hair beliefs and bad habits are worse for hair. It can cause hair problems and a bad hair look. How to achieve healthy hair. Simply by practicing healthy hair care habits and tips. Let's break it into steps. First step is shampooing. Shampooing is an essential part of a man's grooming routine. It helps keep your hair and scalp clean and healthy. Proper hair washing removes all dirt, impurities, or leftover complex hair products like gel, wax, or hairsprays. Not washing your hair timely can cause increased bacteria population and inflammation, negatively affecting the follicles. Here are tips on how to shampoo your hair effectively. Start by thoroughly wetting your hair with lukewarm water. Ensure that your hair is completely wet from roots to ends before applying shampoo. In your palm, put a coin-sized amount of shampoo. Rub your hands together to apply the shampoo evenly. Don't apply too much shampoo just to be a little greedy to get more silky hair. It can damage your hair rather than benefit you. Massage the shampoo into your scalp gently using your fingertips and not your nails. Focus on the roots of your hair where oil, dirt, and product buildup accumulate. Use circular motions to stimulate blood circulation and help remove any impurities. Don't rub your hair furiously. Some guys, being faster, massage their heads this way during shampooing, but it can cause damage and breakage of your hair. Rinse your hair with warm water until all the shampoo is completely washed out. Make sure to rinse from the roots to the ends, ensuring there's no residue left behind. Don't let shampoo be too long in your hair. The shampoo contains various ingredients, including surfactants, fragrances, and preservatives. If left on the hair for too long, these ingredients cause damage, especially to delicate or chemically treated hair. It may lead to increased hair breakage, frizz, or loss of shine. Pick up your shampoo according to your hair type. Search and get to know about your hair type, or get a recommendation from an expert. Don't overwash your hair. Washing your hair 2 or 3 times a week is enough. Some men believe in applying shampoo twice in a shower, but it makes your scalp extra dry and causes damage by losing necessary oils from the scalp. Next is conditioning. Well, conditioning is optional, but it's beneficial after all. So if you prefer conditioning, apply it after washing the shampoo off. Conditioner helps moisturize and soften your hair. Apply the conditioner to your hair, but avoid the scalp. Apply it to the length in the end. Don't apply at the roots of the hair. Leave it on for the time instructed on your conditioner. Usually it's a few minutes. Then rinse thoroughly. Always use the nickel-sized amount of conditioner thrice a week usually. Select a conditioner suitable for your hair type and specific needs, such as moisturizing, volumizing, or repairing. Last is styling. So after washing and conditioning, it's time to style your hair. The right styling techniques are essential for your hair health and look. Some guys just focus on getting a hairstyle anyway, and don't care if the heat or product is good or not for their hair. Follow these tips to style your hair harmlessly. Once you're done shampooing and conditioning, gently squeeze the excess water from your hair. Avoid excessively rubbing your hair with a towel because it can cause frizz and damage. Instead, pat your hair dry with a clean, soft towel. Dry your hair with a blow dryer, but keep it 6 inches from the hair. Don't use a comb in wet hair right after washing. It can cause breakage of hair and long-term damage. Don't overcomb your hair. Excessive combing or brushing can lead to hair breakage, especially if done with too much force or using a fine-tooth comb. Constant tension and friction can weaken the hair strands, causing them to break or split. Apply the styling product like gel, wax, or clay according to your hair type and need. Less is more. Don't apply too much gel or wax, just a bit to give it a little hold or shine. If you have to use a blow dryer to style your hair, check if that product is suitable for heating. Use heat protection serum if you often heat your hair for styling. Use a brush or comb with blow dry to get your desired shape or volume. Always keep in mind your hair size before applying any product. Short hair needs just a pea-sized styling product, but long length will need a little more. If you've curly hair, moisturize your hair with a natural hair moisturizer after a shower. It can help to sustain the texture of your hair curls. Enhance your curls by applying a curl-enhancing cream or mousse. Scrunch your hair gently while damp to encourage the natural curl pattern. If your hair is thin, use a volumizing mousse at the roots. Don't use heavy products that can weigh down your hair. If you have any hair problems or specific issue, such as hair loss, dandruff, or dryness, seeking professional advice from a dermatologist or trichologist can help diagnose the problem and provide tailored solutions. Maintaining a balanced diet, use gentle hair products, avoiding excessive heat or chemical treatments, and practicing good scalp hygiene are all essential for promoting healthier hair. Practice these for your hair care tips and make them part of your habits. What are your favorite hair care tips? Share in the comments and subscribe to the channel to watch more helpful videos.